Hey everyone! Today we are going to look at Mara, the new human character. So we are going to test her in different Steam to see what she is able to do. So we are going to start look at her skills. So the first one deals 250 damage. So this is bug, so we don't see the 50% more, but it's here, don't worry. To an enemy, remove all burning stack from the enemy, remove one buff for each remove burning, and you transfer uh, all the burning effects you removed. Then his second skill deals 600% of magic damage to an enemy, inflict one burning for one turn for each ally demon. Her third skill inflict accuracy decrease and also an ability block. Well, because I test her before, and you also have an ability block. For one turn, you gain accuracy increase, counter attack, and haste for 2 turns. And you gain 10% turn meter for each human. Then her passive, you are immune to blind. You gain 50% increased magic damage for each human and 50% potency for each demon. So I will play her in 3 teams, a burn team, demon team, and then a human team. So for the burn and the demon team, I choose to play with those runes, so potency and speed, and with the potency artifact. So we are going to test her right now. So I will test against this team. We can't show Garn right now because devs have a plan for him. So right now I can't show him, so I'm stuck with this. And let's try first the burning team. So this is my least favorite team um, because you have to remove too many good characters and because the team doesn't work as well. So we are debuff immunity, but I think we are going to ability block Ardork. I think we are just going to focus on Ardork right now. I will do this because Amber gains the buffs. Do this so everyone can cheat death and dodge increase. This was useless. So let's. We don't have much demons, and they have no burning. So this skill isn't good right now. And you see 25k, this isn't a lot. Lake Basic just did the same amount of damage. That's unfortunate that we have to try against Eric because the debuff immunity just completely denied his team. Okay, let's do this. Let's stun Garrett. Okay, let's just kill Eric. No crit unlucky. So when I do this, see, the burning goes on Solius. We still win. This is maybe a much better team than I thought. But this still isn't my favorite team of the 3. Okay, so we're back with our second team. So this is a demon team but with Mara. So we are going to try. Okay, so I'm going to give this to Mara. I will ability block Eric. And I will focus on Ardork. Okay, gain the turn meter. And we are going to destroy Ardork. That was a okay hit. Just stun him or stun Garrett. I don't want him to blind. Even if she can be blind. Up. We give the burning to everyone. Just do this. Do this. Perfect. Give it to Mara. I will put the burning on him. I like Mara on this team because you have a lot of turn meter gain, so that means that you can put burning on the target and then just play after and strike the burning with your basic. I will do this on him. And you have Radash. Radash can also put burning, and he have synergy with burning, so this is quite nice. Like you see, he had one burning. Kill her and kill him. Nice. So now we are going to test her with human. And so I have a different build. When I play her with human, I go with a damage build and with a damage artifact. So let's go to the fight. Okay, we are on the battle. So I will start with Ardork. I will do it. Put the AoE burn. That's funny because Mara likes likes burning. I will block Eric. Oh, he resists. Okay. I don't have that much potency on this build. I will taunt with her. I am dazed, but I will still try to do this. So let's see the damage. Almost 50k without the crit. That's kind nice. $40k. She hits. She's a heal block. I didn't see. She hits very hard on this team. If she crits, she hits harder than Eric. Okay, this time he didn't resist. Oh, everyone blind. Okay, so let's try to kill Eric. 71k crit. I like her on this team. She hits so hard. She really have insane amount of damage. Remember that my team are at G13, but the enemy team is also Gear 13. So this is a pretty equivalent battle. I will try to make this battle again, but this time I will give the offense boost, the Solus offense boost on Mara to see the actual damage that she can put. Again, okay, so right now, if I'm correct, yes, that's for 2 turns, so... Oh no. Okay, so we are back again. We're going to test, but this time with the buff on Mara. So we're just going to stall up, just do the basics. well, this is not very a problem, like we are just up, give it to Mara. I can't blind, so just basic. Let's do this. $29k on the counter attack. Okay, let's try on Eric. Hope for a crit. 63k without a crit. Like that's more than Eric. Eric also have the attack boost. She hits so dang hard. Okay, blind on everyone, that's great. Let's just try another round. So, this gives... Okay, not enough turn mid. Ah, I shouldn't have done this. I will try to one-shot Solius. So, let's give this to Mara. And... crit please! 90k on crit. This is really, really huge. So, in conclusion, I think that she's very okay with the demons, and she's very, very good on the human team. You see the damage, she hits very hard, harder than Eric. So this test is over. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like my content, and see you on the next video. Bye!